What is pickling in Python? Pickling in Python refers to the process of converting a Python object hierarchy into a byte stream, which can be saved to a file or transmitted over a network. This byte stream can later be unpickled to recreate the original Python object hierarchy. Here is an example to demonstrate how pickling works in Python. In this example, we first import the pickle module, then we define a dictionary person with some key value pairs. So first statement, we are importing pickle module. Second, we are creating person dictionary with key value pair name alias age 25 gender female. Next, we open a file named person.pickle in binary write mode using the open function and a with statement. Inside the with block, we use pickle.dump method to write the object hierarchy of the person to the file. This process is called as pickling. With open person.pickle wbsf dump the object hierarchy of person to the file. For this, pickle.dump in opening and closing parenthesis person comma f. After pickling, we open the same file again, but this time in binary read mode. Inside another with block, we use the pickle.load method to read the object hierarchy from the file and assign it to the new variable name person. This process is called as unpickling. So with open person.pickle, here opening of mode of opening of file is RP and giving it a handle f. Now using pickle.load function from the file handle f, we are converting the byte stream into Python object hierarchy and storing it in a variable new person. Finally, we print the content of new person object which should be the same as the original person object. So printing the content of the new object using print function. Inside print, we give the object name new person. When we print it on the user screen, you have a key value pair name alias age 25 gender female. Note that pickling can be used to serialize and store complex objects such as list, set, or even custom class as long as they are pickable, that is, they can be serialized or deserialized using pickle module.